What's going down, Wiz Gang? I hope y'all day going great. I hope y'all staying blessed, and I hope that y'all are staying motivated. Now look, waivers out there. You know, this is a wave video alert, because a lot of y'all been like, bro, where the wave videos been at, bro? All right, now I've been using this product for a fat minute. I ain't gonna lie, it's probably been my go-to, and it's crazy because it was made by, you know, a local barber in Indiana. You know, I don't have a barber down here in Indy, and I didn't feel like cutting my own hair, so I was like, man, forget it. I'm gonna go in this barber shop. He's an All Stars barbershop, and I was like, let me just go get my hair cut. So I'll go get my hair cut, and he was like, he's cutting my hair, right? 20 over here cutting my hair, and he's like, bro, you look familiar, dog. You look familiar. And I was like, bro, I don't know what you're talking about, dog. Like, I've never seen you. I'm like, me personally, I've never seen you. And he was like, man, like, it was something like that. I mean, honestly, I'm kind of winging it right now. I'm really kind of winging it right now. I don't know exactly how it went. We kind of, but you know, he was just like, hey, bro, you know, you do anything? I was like, yeah, I do YouTube. You know, I do YouTube and stuff like that. And he was like, oh, that's where I seen you from. This is Twin Moisturizing Cream. That's exactly what it's called. Okay, now the design of it, you know, I said it was basic. You know, it has like just a simple black top and a bottom top, and it has like their logo sticker on it. It's a pretty basic, you know. I don't know how they ship it. It wasn't shipped to me. Like I said, he handed it to me. He was like, hey, bro, you might make a product review. But you know, it's basic. You know, it's a basic container. But I'm telling you guys, it's magic when it goes inside. Now, I've used a lot of this. I'm almost done. I'm probably gonna have to hit him up, be like, bro, can I get some more of this? Inside is just like, it's just like so fluffy, and it's just, and the smell, man, it's like, I don't know. Every single time though, look, I let like 3 exclusive clients, man. When I mean exclusive clients, I mean like day one waiver clients, you know, that's what I'm talking about. And I was like, hey, bro, you mind if I try this in your hair? They were like, yeah, man, if you think it hit. I was like, all right, I think it hit. I just want to see if you think it hit, because bro, they even said the smell is crazy. Like, once you open it, you can smell it. It has, okay, from my female waivers, if I got any female waivers watching right now, I'm gonna tell you right now, I think I follow him on the gram. I think he came out with like a female scent. I'm gonna leave that in the description below for my lady waivers. If you guys are watching, you know, I'm diverse around here. You know, if it's a man scent, I don't want my ladies walking around here with a man scent unless you guys want to. It's kind of like that goat drip, you know, but it's even more potent, but it's more of that cologne scent. So like a lot of times I've been wearing it. My girl, she be like, oh, like what? You smell good. I'm telling y'all, look. This product, it smells wonderful. It is something that is one of my favorites about this product. Now, another pro about this product right here is honestly it's so light. I've yet to find a product that it still feels like a moisturizer. A lot of times companies say it's a moisturizer, but like it doesn't, it's not like a fluffy or lotion type feel to it. It's more like dry, and it's like, why am I moisturizing my scalp with something dry, you know? But you know, I like using the dry ones sometimes because they just tend to work. Like the Go Drip moisturizer, that one's more an example of how it's more drier in my opinion, rather than this one. It has that like milky, you know, lotiony feel to it, and when it goes in your hair, it's super light. I've rarely had any type of buildup. Like, unless I've been putting this product in my hair like constantly, then that's when I get most of the buildup. I mean, like, come on now, like y'all should feel me on that. It's just that like everyday product. It can be low key like that regular use product for you waivers out there, and I don't think it's expensive either. Man, I'm definitely, you know, y'all gonna want to go ahead and just check this product out, man, because I've been using this so much, and you know, every single time when I was on my waves, you know, like when I was actually brushing, it was making my waves look great. People were noticing the shine that it goes on your waves. You know what, let me just show you. Alright, just so as a FYI, you know, I forgot to tell you guys, this is a all natural product. that I'm about to put in my hair. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and let's just get into this wave check now. I told you guys, all right? I've been slacking, all right? Look, I've been trying to start to pick up, my brush sessions and really just trying to, get back in the groove of brushing. And I'm really just trying to pick up my slack right now. In my opinion, it's like, what better time, to put this product in my hair that I'm claiming, is all this and that, and this is, oh my God, it's all this. And why wouldn't I use it for you guys? So, for the people that don't know how to regular, just rag yourself up, always put this in on the outside. You want it outside. So basically, kind of like your clothes, you just turn it inside out. If you really want to, you're just turning the do-rag inside out. I'm still seeing wavers in public with this right here. With the stitching on their head, I'm telling y'all, flip it inside out and then rag yourself up. Let's wait about 15-20 minutes and then we'll get to the unragging. Okay, what's gang? So something actually happened in between that 15 to 20 minutes. So actually, you guys are gonna stay tuned to my next video to find out what that is. But if you guys do want to pick up this product though, there's no link for this, so you actually have to DM Twin and actually see if you guys can get your hands on this product, because I'm telling you guys it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna help you always out a lot, but you guys gonna have to DM them on Instagram and figure out something, because hey man, it's just that exclusive. But hey, what's gang? You already know what it is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you know what? Stay up, stay blessed, and stay motivated. But hey, this is Woods, and I'm out.